Hello, my name is Jackson Barrett. Uh, right now I'm gonna talk about endangered animals and the reason. This is one of the top 4 endangered animals in the world that have the biggest extinction and the biggest chance. This is the chart of extinction. I tried making it, but yeah, I didn't do that right. And this is why animals are dying, because the hunters and lost habitat equals their chance of extinction.